everyone, welcome back to Study Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, we're talking about Uthando Nesithembu. Finally, Mangwabe has completed her diploma. What really surprised her indlela umseluko ajabule ngayo guys, after a big fight and to attend extra classes. It was even assumed by the public ukuthi Mangwabe was done with the Nesithembu. The way izinto bezingakhona between her and her husband, like guys, she was tired of Musa and his drama. With that being said, Mselego had to explain ukuthi kahle kahle he never had a problem with Mangwabe studying, but he had a problem with how she neglected her duties as unkosikazi. Kodwa ke guys, that was impossible ukwenza konke ngokugculisayo. After everything guys, Mangwabe told Mselego that they can now have a third born, and he can't wait guys. Angazi kulezi ingane engangalo baba uzenzani, but ke ngoba ungubaba ushadile unamakhosikazi akhe awu4, there is nothing that we can say. I just pray nje ukuthi bathola umfana this time. uMangwabe unamantombazane amabili. When it comes to indaba kaMakhumalo guys, kusenzima. Mselego is insisting ukuthi uzothatha umunye uMakhumalo so that indlu kaMakhumalo ingapheli. Niyazi ke ukuthi uma uganile wangathola abantwana wawusuyashona, kuyavalwa endlini yakho okwakho kuphele nangesibungo sakho kulowo mndeni nasemlandini waso. I think that is the main reason why Mselego is worried kakhulu ngale ndaba. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Have a nice day. Bye.